IFE launch? Well, this is the demo for Mic&Pose. So first of all, this is a landing page where we have a welcome to Mic&Pose and we have the quick accesses. First of all, I want to show you what's free practice. We actually started doing this free practice, which was like the basic way of presenting any presentation, right? So we have presentation objective, topic, audience. You can basically write whatever you need on these fields, and you would basically be able to record any presentation and get feedback on it. But then we saw we needed to do something more personalized for companies, and that's where we get to the button of courses, where we started doing these modules. We decided that a module was basically a place where we had information on the left and we had the role plays at the right? So on the left, we had some information. We can do some videos, avatars, whatever. And then at the right, we have basically what the role plays are, right? So what's a role play? Basically, in the role play, we have a description, we have a scenario, we have an objective, a possible objection, and a possible answer. So you can do either two things. You can actually do a recording, same thing, or you can use a real-time agent. I would love to show you a real-time agent. So let's do it. So for this, we're going to restart the connection. We're going to give it a moment and start the conversation. Okay? Let's start. Hey, how are you?
Hola, bien, gracias. ¿Y usted cómo está?
Hey, can you actually do this conversation in English? I'm showing this to IFE launch.
Sure, we can continue in English. What would you like to talk about today?
Sure. Well, I want to talk to you about Mic&Pose and how much your company needs this right now.
I see. You're saying my company really needs this. Could you explain a bit more about how it would benefit us right now?
Well, perfectly. You would reduce your training costs, and you would definitely do a scalable training program.
That sounds interesting, but how urgent is it for us to implement this? Our training costs are a concern, but we're managing for now.
Okay, perfect. Now let's end the conversation and let's view the analysis. This will take a couple seconds. After a couple seconds, we have the results. We have the feedback. We have the key points, positive feedback, comments to be improved. We have some like before and after, and missing points. Also, we're going to get the voice. So basically, we have some KPIs that we can measure from 0 to 100 on soft skills that are needed for a good seller. My score was 60%, should have been 80 at least. I should have to repeat it. And when we use the normal pitch, we can get feedback on posture. Let me give you an example. Here we have all the other recordings where we can check all the .mic files. What is a .mic file? Basically, it's a file that has all this type of feedback. It was invented by our CTO. And let me show you the analysis screen with a posture. It would look like this, right? Finally, let me show you what the dashboard looks like with active percentage, active users, average proof role plays, total users. And we also get things like the approval rate, average score, users below 50 and users below 30. Thank you very much.